Okay, as a final example, this is example number 7 on your handout. Notice that this quadratic equation here is already written in standard form. So it's just a matter of looking at this left-hand side and figuring out how I'm going to factor it. Well, if you look at that left-hand side is a that left-hand side, well, as it's pointed out, it's already in standard form because the right-hand side is 0. The left-hand side is a general type trinomial, and in order to factor a general type trinomial, we'll use trial and error to factor it. So notice that A is 3, B is -7, and C is -6. So we know now when C is negative, the signs we're looking for have to be opposite on the binomials. So one of them is going to be negative, and one of them is going to be positive. So now remember how we play this game. What we're going to do, we're going to find two numbers whose product is 3. And those numbers I place here and here. Well, there's only one possibility to give us 3. That's 1 and 3. So I got 1x and 3x. And then I take this number here, the constant, which is 6, and I try to find two numbers whose product is 6. Well, there's two possibilities, 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. Well, I went ahead and used 2 and 3. Remember, I cannot place the 3 right here where the 2 is at, because then there would be a common factor in this binomial, and that's not possible since there's no common factor in this trinomial. That forces the 3 to go here, and the 2 has to come over here. Now you should check to see that this factorization is correct. So I do the product of the outers, which is a positive 2x, and then I add to that the product of the inners, which is negative 9x. So 2x minus 9x is a negative 7x, giving me the correct middle term right here. So that's the correct factorization. Now I make use of my zero product theorem. The only way that this product right here can equal 0, it has to be that either one of the factors, x minus 3, has to equal 0, or 3x plus 2 equals 0. Both of these are linear equations, very easy to solve. To solve the first one, all I do is move the 3 to the other side, and I get x equals 3. Now the second one is a little bit tougher linear equation. First, I start by moving the 2 over there, which gives me 3x equals negative 2. Then I divide both sides by 3, so I get x equals negative 2/3, a fraction. So the solution set contains the numbers 3 and negative 2/3. Be sure to work the two examples that follow this video as part of your assignment for today. Okay, have a great spring break, and we'll see you the Monday following spring break.